Hi friends, in previous lecture we had studied regarding the side distance. In today's lecture we are going to study the various types of side distance. So the various types of side distance are stopping or non-passing side distance, overtaking or passing side distance, intermediate side distance and lateral side distance. We will discuss one by one. First is stopping or non-passing side distance. So, what do you mean by stopping or non passing side distance? It is the distance visible to the driver ahead on the highway at any spot. It should be sufficient length to stop the vehicle traveling at a design speed without collision to any obstruction. So, that distance, that minimum distance, is called as the stopping side distance. And the stopping side distance, therefore, it is also called as absolute minimum side distance. Then the factors affecting the stopping side distance. So the various factors that are affecting the side distance are reaction time of driver, speed of vehicle, efficiency of brake, friction resistance between road and tire, and gradient of the road. These are the various factors depending on which the stopping side distance depend. Then overtaking side distance. So when all the vehicles are traveling at a same design speed, then there will be no need to overtake the vehicles. Okay, but as we are seeing, there is mixed traffic. So in that mixed traffic, all the vehicles that are traveling at a different speed, because each driver of vehicle is free to travel at lower speed. Okay, depending upon its mood, he will drive his vehicle fastly or slowly. Okay, so in such circumstances, it is necessary for fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle. So therefore, the minimum therefore the overtaking side distance required, that is the minimum distance open to the vision of the driver of vehicle which is intending to overtake slow vehicle ahead with safely against traffic of opposite direction is known as the minimum overtaking side distance. During the overtaking, the distance which is available to overtake a slow moving vehicle without collision with the vehicles coming from opposite direction, that distance is called as the overtaking side distance. Then factors on which overtaking side distance depend. So depending upon the speed of overtaking, overtaken, and vehicle coming from opposite direction, so speed of all these three vehicles, it will depend upon the depending upon this speed of these three vehicles, the overtaking side distance will depend. Then distance between the overtaking and overtaken vehicle, then skill and reaction time of driver, rate of acceleration of overtaking vehicle, and gradient of the road. These are the various factors on which overtaking side distance will depend. Then intermediate side distance. So at some areas of the road where required overtaking side distance cannot be provided, so as far as possible intermediate side distance equal to twice stopping side distance may be provided. The distance which afford reasonable opportunity to the driver to overtake the vehicle ahead with cautions is known as intermediate side distance. जहाँ पे ओवरटेकिंग साइड डिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करना पॉसिबल नहीं रहा, सो एट दैट टाइम देयर इज इंटरमीडिएट साइड डिस्टेंस प्रोवाइडेड which gives the opportunity to the driver to overtake the vehicles. The next is lateral side distance. So when there is intersection and on that intersection two vehicles are coming from opposite directions. So at that time, when vehicle driver of vehicle A is saying to the vehicle B, so at that time he start applying the brakes, and till it comes or it enters into the intersection, he stop his vehicle. So this distance will be the lateral distance. There will be no collision with the two vehicles. So that distance will be the lateral side distance. The distance needed by the driver of vehicle who see another vehicle approaching the intersection, reacts and apply brake to bring his vehicle to dead stop at the intersection without any collision. वहाँ पे फिर कोलिजन होगा क्या, नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ए व्हीकल का जो ड्राइवर है उसने व्हीकल बी को देख लिया था एंड ही विल स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग, स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक, और जब तक दोनों व्हीकल्स इंटरसेक्शन पे आते हैं, सो एट दैट टाइम both the vehicle will be totally at the dead stop and there will be no any collision. So ये जो distance रहेगा, that distance will be the lateral side distance. Then we will see the derivation for overtaking side distance. So first point is consider the two straight road, and on that two straight road there are three vehicles, vehicle A, B and C. Vehicle A and vehicle B is moving in same direction, and that vehicle C, it is moving on second lane in on opposite direction. Then let speed of fast moving vehicle A be V1, speed of vehicle B be V2, and that of vehicle C is V3. Okay, vehicle C is moving in opposite direction, its speed is considered as V3 meter per second, and V is assumed as design speed in meter per second. Then in order to overtake vehicle B, driver of vehicle A should apply the following criteria. In that, first is he should slow down his speed to V2 and come out on second lane. As when we had discussed, first of all, speed of vehicle A is V1, and if he want to overtake vehicle B, so at that time he should slow down his speed. उसने vehicle A ने उसका speed कम करना है till V2 तक उसे speed कम करना है. After that he has to come out from lane 1 to lane 2. लेन 1 वरनं त्याला कुठे यायचं, लेन 2 वरती यायचं आहे. वेन ही बिगिन्स टू कम आउट, व्हीकल ए शुड बी एट सेफ डिस्टेंस एज बिहाइंड व्हीकल बी. जब वो फर्स्ट लेन से सेकेंड लेन पे आएगा, सो एट दैट टाइम देयर शुड बी सफिशिएंट स्पेस बिटवीन व्हीकल ए एंड व्हीकल बी. देन ड्राइवर एट vehicle A should accelerate his vehicle on second lane a vehicle till vehicle B is overtaken. जब वो vehicle A second lane पे आएगा, so at that time driver of vehicle A he should accelerate his vehicle. उसे कब तक accelerate करेगा, till vehicle B को जब तक वो overtake नहीं करेगा तब तक वो vehicle A को accelerate करेगा. He should then run his vehicle back on his original first lane. अब वो vehicle B overtake हुआ, after that vehicle A का जो driver है, again he has to take vehicle A on its original lane. Okay, उसे फिर से original lane पे जाना है ahead of vehicle B के सामने. And during coming on lane 1 there should be again sufficient space between vehicle A and vehicle B. In this process, जब ये overtake करने का process चालू होगा, so at that time there should not be collision with the vehicle coming from opposite direction. जो C vehicle opposite direction से आ रहा है, so vehicle A should not collide with the vehicle C. Okay, so here you can see that L is equal to length of overtaking side distance, L is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3. Let's consider it as equation 1. Then d1 is equal to the distance traveled by the overtaking vehicle A on the first lane before it comes out on second lane. For the purpose of overtaking, during this it slows down. Before slowing down, जो distance vehicle A ने travel किया है, that distance is d1. Its speed v2 by allowing space S. S is a safe space between A and B. So therefore d1 will be equal to v2 into t. Then the distance d2 is the distance by vehicle A during the total overtaking time while coming from first lane to second lane, accelerating along the second lane and coming back to the original lane. So that distance is d2. जो डिस्टेंस d2 है वो है जब व्हीकल A फर्स्ट लेन से सेकेंड लेन पे आएगा, एक्सेलरेट होगा एंड अगेन फ्रॉम सेकेंड लेन टू फर्स्ट लेन जाएगा. दैट डिस्टेंस विल बी d2 and it is given by d2 is equal to twice s into v2 into t0, where t0 is equal to time taken in overtaking with acceleration a meter per second square to cover a distance of d2 minus twice s. d2 minus twice s यानी जो भी सेकेंड लेन पे आने के बाद जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा व्हीकल ए, सो दैट the time required to travel that distance that will be t0. okay, so वो जितना भी distance travel करने को time लगेगा that will be t0. then d3 is equal to distance traveled by vehicle C on second lane during the accelerating time. जब व्हीकल A ड्राइव हो रहा था ऑन सेकेंड लेन, सो एट दैट टाइम व्हीकल C ने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, दैट इज d3. that is equal to v into t0. Then substituting the values in equation 1, we will get the following equation. Then the safe spacing S to be kept between vehicle A and vehicle B is given by the expression. जो हमें vehicle A और vehicle B के बीच में जो हमें safe distance रखना है, सो वो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं बाय दिस इक्वेशन. S इज इक्वल टू v2 इंटू 0.7 प्लस लेंथ ऑफ व्हीकल. वी कंसिडर लेंथ ऑफ व्हीकल A एज 6 मीटर. then the equation will become S is equal to 0.7 v2 plus 6. then the value of t0 is obtained by the following equation. t0 is equal to twice under root space safe spacing upon acceleration. So by this way we will get the equation for overtaking side distance. Okay, thank you. If you are having any query, you can contact me on the given contact number. Thank you very much.